أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقالوا اتخذ الرحمن ولدا سبحانه بل له ما في السماوات والأرض. Telo Allah angivikele kusathane ongathandwa. Egameni lika Allah onomusa onesihawu. They say Allah the Almighty has taken a son, has begotten a son. Allahu Akbar. Subhanahu. Glory be to Allah. Allah does not befit to beget, nor he was not begotten to have a son. Allahu Akbar. Why? Ballahu ma fi samawati wal ard. Each and everything that is in the seven heavens and that is on earth belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, to all Christians at large, worldwide, I will say this in English, then I will say it in Zulu, so that it can sink clearly in your minds, in your brains, in your hearts. And I'm waiting for answers. Whoever has answers, please call me 078-214-3189, 061-458-5537 and give me the answers. 1. If Jesus is God, who sent him? If Jesus is God, who sent him? If Jesus is the Son of God, who is God's wife? If Jesus is the Son of God, who is God's wife? If Jesus is God, where is his Father? If Jesus is God, where is his Father? If Jesus is God, who did he pray to? When he was praying, who did he pray to? Because he's a God himself. If Jesus is God, who gave him the power? If Jesus is God, who gave him the power? If Jesus is God, when he was on the cross, who did he cry to? When he said, Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani, who was he crying to? If he is God. If Jesus cleansed the sins of each and every Christian, why Christians are still sinful? Which sins of the Christians did Jesus die for? I'm going to ask the same question in Zulu so that uzwe kahle ukuthi uthini umbuzo wami. Kulabantu laba abafunda iBhayibheli abayibiza ngamaKristu noma wonke umuntu okholelwa kuphi eBhayibhelini. Uma uJesu uNkulunkulu wathunyelwa ubani emhlabeni? Uma uJesu indodana kaNkulunkulu, ubani umfazi kaNkulunkulu? Uma uJesu enguNkulunkulu, ubani ubaba wakhe? Uma uJesu enguNkulunkulu, wayethi mayekhuleka akhuleke kubani? Uma uJesu enguNkulunkulu, amandla wayewanikwa ubani? Uma uJesu enguNkulunkulu, lesikhathi ekhala esiphambanweni ethi Eloi Eloi lama sabachthani, wayekhala kubani? Uma uJesu ngempela wahlanza izono zabantu, kungani amaKristu esenezono namhlanje kanti uJesu wafela ziphi? Ayoke inselelo maKristu, ngidinga impendulo. Inamba zami 078-214-3189, 061-458-5537. Angibonge.